this. And then they want the queue, I don't know.
Who doesn't?
So right when we get off 283 is when quiet zone is.
Is that turn 9?
Yeah. And then we get onto 230, and then that's when it resumes.
Okay.
Jiggle your seatbelt again. Re-click it. There you go. Up. Try it again. Well, yeah, I don't know why. It probably doesn't sense your weight. Click it again. There you go. Don't move.
Is somebody having trouble with their truck?